Out. Up, down, just find that spot.
I'm Rose Jenson and I'm from central Minnesota. The experience today was surprising. I was not expecting to get pulled out of the crowd like that.
Rose.
It was pretty incredible.
So Rose?
Yes?
When's your birthday?
December 30th.
You look like a Capricorn, I was supposed to say. You look like a Capricorn.
All right.
Holding on to some emotions.
Maybe. Yep,
Grief
probably.
around your mother. No. That's the coloration is actually grief. That's what grief looks like on the body. So, you ready to let that go?
Sure.
Okay.
I accept my feelings
And emotions
and emotions
without judgment.
without judgment. Letting go of the feelings.
I started getting ready this morning, and as I stepped out of the shower, the emotions started to release. And I'm going, where is this coming from? You know, and Gary kind of said that karma was there, and it kind of predicted what was going to happen today. So I was kind of half intending, I'm like, oh man, I'm going to have to fight this all day. And it was actually a relief to get all of that emotional release done so quickly. That I was able to enjoy the rest of the event today. I do feel much different. I feel much lighter. It's like I kind of feel like ready to address some things in my life that kind of came up today too. So yeah, it was awesome.
But you're a Capricorn, you're tough.
Thank you.
I'm letting go of all the responsibility I hold for others.
I'm letting go of all the responsibility I hold for others.
In my body.
In my body.
Say, I'm letting go of the emotions.
I'm letting go of the emotions.
I'm holding for everyone.
I'm holding for everyone.
Just let it go.
I really think people need to try it and learn for themselves.
Now you can see if you breathe. How's it feel to breathe?
Good.
I'm a massage therapist, and so Gary tripped everything up that I was trained as a massage therapist, that bones are structure, muscle creates movement. And I've really taken that, and my mind has been opened up to the body really does work differently than how we were trained. And I think it's just a neat experience to be able to experience that difference and how quickly simple maneuvers like this can calm you down, raise your spirits, and just, you know, it's like people have been stopping me all day and they're like, you look so much different than what you did when I came in this morning. So
Letting go of the pain.
I'm letting go of the pain.
And I'm holding for everyone.
I'm holding for everyone.
It's not my pain.
It's not my pain. Oh. Ah. Ah. Oh. Oh.
thank you.